Welcome to Momentum Monday. And today we are talking about a mindset hack for your resolutions and for those limiting beliefs. And this thing is so powerful, you're going to love it. Super, super easy. What it is called the rubber band trick. And what you do is every time you notice a limiting belief or something that you want, a behavior, a habit that you want to replace, you snap the rubber band and you replace that limiting belief, that bad habit, with 3 to 5 positives. So let me give you an example. It may be that you know that you want to go network and get out there and meet other people, but you feel like you're such an introvert. So your limiting belief may be, I'm too much of an introvert to go out and meet other people and to go network. So what you do when you hear that, snap that rubber band and then say, I love meeting other people because it's pushing me out of my comfort zone and I know I'm growing. I enjoy going and meeting new people because I'm getting better and better at having conversations with them and it's exciting. Third one might be I love going to new places to meet new people because I get to practice my new networking skills and I can feel myself getting more empowered, more confident, and stronger. You see how that is? For a behavior, maybe you have a habit of eating too much sugar. Maybe I'm guilty. And so it could be that every time you feel that urge to go and grab some chocolate or some candy, you snap this and you replace it with things such as, I love feeling healthy and strong and in control of my diet because I feel like I have more energy, my brain works better, and I feel great. So that's one example. Here's 3 things that you need to do to accompany this rubber band trick. One, you need to do it for 27 to 90 days. That's how long it takes to replace a limiting belief or a habit. The second thing is only use positive words when you are replacing that thought that you have. So don't say no, don't, can't. The third one is consistency. You have to do this constantly. Wear this rubber band all the time. It goes in the shower with you, it goes to bed with you. It's always with you. And every single time you notice that limiting belief or that behavior, you snap it and replace it. You'll start to see a change. You'll start to feel that your reactions are different after 21, 27 days. You'll start to feel a difference. It is so empowering and it will be such a great tool for you for this year. And so anyway, I would love to hear your ideas. Go ahead and put them down in the comments below of maybe if there's something you want to declare or if you have some thoughts on this. I would love to hear it. Good luck.